Alright guys, this is just a quick tutorial video on how to tune your vehicle with the Trinity 2. This is your main screen where everything's done. Your car has to be off, there's all the steps are told to you when you're gonna tune it before you tune it. So you hit tuning. It gets the vehicle information for a little bit, takes a little bit of time. Not to worry, gotta have a little patience. Alright, the screen is up and it's tune vehicle, custom tuning, quick adjust, tune vehicle. And it comes with stock tunes. Lets you know what are you running. We're in Texas, we run 93 only. So I heard the Diablo Tune was it, so I was running that can tune for a little bit until I got my own tune. So you go to custom tuning. Boom, click on that, install tune. Boom, what do you have there? Jose Cortez Charger RT 8-speed 93 octane. Boom, and that's how it's done. You just click on it, you follow the steps, and that's how it's done. That's how you tune the vehicle. That was quick and easy how to tune. The rest is just information about, why I went with the Trinity 2. See, the Trinity 2, you could get custom tunes done by email. Email tunes is what they're called. And, this wasn't actually my first option. My first option was getting a dyno tune from someone in my area. There was a couple tune shops, more than a couple, a few tune shops I was contacting. Hey, let me get a tune. I would shoot out them emails. And I had questions. I never done this before. I had questions, so I would email them. They replied. I would email them back, and they replied. All good, everything cool. But again, I had questions. So after about a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks tops, they stopped responding to my emails. It's just a lot of shops around the area. I understand they're busy, but why haven't they replied as of yet? You know what I mean? So I didn't like that. Everything I asked, I would get answers rushed. I get it. They're busy. I get that, but I really wanted to know what I was getting into. So that's when I contacted Mr. Green, Jay Green. Question after question after question after question. He answered them all of them, every single one. Question after question, answered. No delay in response. He had to respond to a lot of people, I bet. So yeah, he responded, but it wasn't like weeks at a time. You know what I mean? And this wasn't something that I did like this. This was a month, maybe a month and a half of just questions, non-stop questions. He responded, and he gave out information about what he does, what the tune does, and everything for my specifications. He gave me all that information, and he wasn't even getting paid. You know what I mean? Cool. Like, okay, this guy, he does it. So once I asked him all the questions, he told me what I needed to do, and that's exactly what I did. I got myself a Diablo tuner and a locked PCM, sent that information over to him, and he sent it back. Just like that. There you go, installed it, quick and easy, with the tuner. Now I have this tune. This tune is badass. His early pulls is insane. It pulls so well. Like, goddamn, I love it. So, I know the setup for this car. I know what you guys are expecting. It's a 5.7. It comes factory with 370 horsepower, 395 torque. So, this car is definitely not going to be doing some road races, guys. Maybe with a car in its power range, but it's not going to be doing road races like that, you know. Of course I'll do it every once in a while, but this is going to be a dragging machine, you know. I'm gonna go ahead and put out some time, some numbers with this setup, you know, especially how torquey it is down low. I should take off instantly, so that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. So that's my plans for this car for the future, you know, is, you know, getting some meat in the rear, and I'm gonna go ahead and do it and get it done. This is why I went with Jay Green. He told me there was a net gain of about 30 horsepower, 30 torque with a stock tune. I mean, with his tune. And remember, now I'm completely stock. It's just a cold air intake, mid muffler delete, 93 octane, so it's a 93 tune. That's it. You know, of course, in the future, I'm gonna go ahead and add some more things to it. You know, maybe exhaust, headers. But this is great. You know, for the price I paid, he does retunes. So whenever you start adding more stuff to the car, boom, you just send him the information of what you did. He sends a file back, and we got it. We're set up. He tunes it, and then he's most likely gonna recalibrate it. You know, make sure the tune's up and running, and we're good to go. You know, this is what I love about Green. You know, he's amazing. He responded to me and everything. You know, and that's it. You know, if you guys have any questions about you know, Green or Diablo, then just let me know in the comment section below. Again, this was just a little information video how to get this tune going. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, but just get ready. You know, the weather's already turning out badass, so we're gonna get the show on the road. We're definitely gonna hit the drag strips up. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.